Hello, my name is Megan Just-Mancini, and I am back with another awesome Grumpy Monkey story with another awesome theme. And this book is Grumpy Monkey Party Time. And this is written by Suzanne Lang and illustrated by Max Lang. So I hope you enjoy it. Grumpy Monkey is an awesome series, so check it out for yourself or for your kiddos. All right. One perfectly pleasant afternoon, Chimpanzee found an invitation on his branch. Ooh. You are invited to Porcupine's party. Party, said Jim. It'll be a great time, said Norman, who lived next door. We can dance. Dance? Exclaimed Jim, cutting off Norman. I can't dance. Can't dance? Everyone can dance, said Hyena. Come, I'll show you some moves. I don't have any moves, said Jim. Sure you do, said Hyena. You just need to try. So Jim tried to dance. You should have taken his word for it, Norman said to Hyena. If Jim doesn't know how to dance, said Oxpecker, we'll just have to teach him. Everyone was so excited to teach Jim how to dance. You've got to feel the beat, said Lizard. You've got to strut your stuff, said Ostrich. Ooh, you got to shake your butt, said the monkeys. He's doing it, cried everyone. Hooray! Party time, said Norman, and they all headed to Porcupine's house. At the party, everybody wanted to dance with Jim. Dance with us, said the ground squirrels. Come shake your tail feathers, said the peacock. May we cut in? Asked the warthogs. Me next, said Rhino. And Jim danced and danced and danced with everyone on the dance floor, and everybody was having such a great time. Everybody except for Jim. Oh my gosh, and then it got worse. Isn't this the best, cried Oxpecker. There's Jim at the front of the Congo line. No, said Jim. This is not the best. It's the worst. I don't like dancing. And the other animals stared in amazement. Who ever heard of somebody who didn't like dancing? Said Oxpecker. Actually, said the water buffalo, I don't like dancing either, but I never said anything because I thought everybody else liked it. know others enjoy themselves, but I always feel really silly on the dance floor and I'd rather just be doing something else, said the marabou. To be honest, chimed the bat, dance floors just are too loud for my taste. I'm going home, said Jim, and he turned around to go. But then he bumped into Norman's back. You're not leaving, are you? Said Porcupine. Everybody at this party wants to dance, said Jim. But we don't like dancing. It's not for everybody, Norman agreed. Oh no, but now I'll have too much food, said Porcupine sadly. Oh, Porcupine, we didn't want to upset you. Jim paused. Wait a sec. There's food at this party? And indeed, there was a lot of food. Bananas to seed dumplings, to honey, to surprise eggs, to flour cake, to grass, to pickled roots, maggot salad, pineapple pudding, some fresh meat, bark jerky, and pie flot pie. Fly pot fly. Tongue twister. And there were plenty of games too. There was a sing-along, a puddle splash-off, bobbing for maggots, shake that tree, as well as tag. And so they stayed at the party. Jim enjoyed the wonderful food. He laughed with his friends, and he even played a game or two, but he didn't dance. And it was a really great time. So another awesome book with another awesome message that I hope you can consider again for yourselves, for your kiddos, and the discussions that you have. Peer pressure is a real thing. There's a lot of expectations on it that are put on us about what we should be able to do, what we're supposed to be able to do, what we are expected to do at certain ages. And it's okay for you to look inside and to consider, hey, what are my needs and what do I need? Because often there's a lot of people around you that are also afraid to speak out, that also feel anxious because they don't want to be pinpointed. And so you might be that voice. And you know what, for yourself, but also for someone else. And it can be scary. That anxiety of being different is so real and so huge. But just think about being in class. Has anyone ever answered or asked a question that you thought, oh my gosh, I had that question and I thought it was so stupid? Guaranteed you and other people in the class are feeling that way. So look into yourself. Your needs are valid. And look to the people who are there to support your needs, whether they agree with it or not. Just like at Porcupine's party, he had a little bit for everybody. We don't all need to conform to the expectations of Porcupine's party or what the jungle animal said that everybody should be able to do, right? So I hope you take that. I hope you learn from it. And I hope you can carry it forward into your daily life. I wish you all the best. Take care.